Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a cheesy Turkish eggplant dish. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's make it together. First, I peel the eggplant in the alternating strips. This way they keep their shape and cook beautifully. Then I cut the eggplants into large pieces, about 1 cup in size each. Keeping them big helps the texture stay nice while cooking. Then I put the eggplants in a big bowl with salted water and let them sit for a bit to get rid of the bitterness. While the eggplants soak, I chop 1 onion into tiny cubes. This will add lots of flavor later. Once the eggplants have soaked, I drain them and dry them well. I make little cuts on top so they cook perfectly and soak up all the yummy flavors. Now I place the eggplant on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I brush them lightly with oil and put them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes until they're perfectly cooked. Now I cook the onions in a bit of oil until they're soft and yummy. Then add the ground meat and let it brown beautifully. Now I dice the bell pepper and add it to the cooked ground meat. Now I add a little salt, black pepper and turmeric to the meat mixture and stir everything together. Now I add 2 cloves of garlic to the meat mixture and stir them in. I add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the meat mixture and stir it in well. I chop some fresh parsley and add it to the meat mixture. I add a little water to the mixture to help everything come together smoothly. I carefully mash the inside of the baked eggplant with a fork, just enough to they ready to be filled with the tasty meat mixture. I sprinkle a little salt over the eggplants to enhance their flavor. Now I fill the eggplants with the prepared meat mixture, making sure each one is nicely soft. Now I sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of the stuffed eggplants. Now I prepare a simple sauce by mixing a tablespoon of tomato paste with a pinch of salt, black pepper and some hot water until it's smooth. I put it into the dish. This keeps the eggplant juicy and perfectly cooked. I place the eggplant in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It's time to taste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd love to see next. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.